I'm going to show you how to prune and deadhead your roses to make the most of your summer displays. We're going to talk about how to deadhead repeat flowers. This is Rhapsody in Blue, and I'll be taking off just the dead ones on this multi-flowered stem so that these still look lovely. Here we've got Crown Princess Margaretta, and some of these lovely flowers are still looking absolutely gorgeous, but they're being rather spoilt by these dead ones. So I'm just going to take off the dead ones to make it look beautiful again. I won't take off the whole flowering top of this until all of these have faded, at which point I'll take it all the way back to that leaf. Here we've got a Westerland Rose, and as you can see it's another multi-flowered stem, but these have basically all faded now. There's just a few petals left on this. And here we're going to take off all of this top bit because the next big flowering shoot will come from between this leaflet here and the main stem. This one's already flowered and been cut off. So here I'm going to cut that off all the way down to there, and it will shoot from there to create more flowers. Here we've got a very pretty single rose called Simple Peach, and this rose has a rather unusual habit of looking rather attractive even after the flowers have faded. And so I'll probably leave these pretty stamens on until the final buds have actually opened on this, and then again we'll take out the whole of that flowering shoot. Now let's talk about roses that only flower once. This is Rosa Moisei geranium, and it had the most beautiful single red flowers earlier on, which have developed into these hips. It never flowers again, but these are going to turn into fabulous rose hips in the autumn, so I won't be deadheading any of these. Here's Rosa glauca, another one I won't deadhead. It has these pretty little pink flowers, but then lovely small red hips in the autumn, which look spectacular against this very pretty blue-green foliage. This is Rosa rugosa, which has these rough leaves and these very pretty flowers. This is another one that I don't deadhead because it has spectacular rose hips in the autumn, the size of tomatoes. They're just beginning to come now. Here we're going to talk about how to prune rambling roses in summer. Here's an example of a rambler. This is Paul's Himalayan musk, which was absolutely beautiful. And with ramblers, you need more than just deadheading. You want to really summer prune them. So I'll be taking off the entire branch here that has flowered, and then tying in the new branch up there, which will carry the flowers next year. This is Rilchenblau, and it's a rambler, and it's just about over now, but it won't flower again. So I'll be taking off all of the deadheads on this and the flowered stems and tying in the new ones, which will carry the flower next year. Now I'm going to talk about how to summer prune climbing roses. This is Blush Noisette, and it's a climbing rose. Now, climbing roses flower on old and new wood, and I will keep deadheading this throughout the summer, and it will keep flowering for me right up until the autumn, taking off these large flower heads. I hope I've helped you tackle deadheading your roses with a little more confidence now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog at www.3growbags.com.